After 7 years on the road, the Lexus ES is finally getting a full makeover. Lexus has confirmed that the next generation ES will debut on April 23rd at the Auto Shanghai show. From the teasers, it looks like this model will borrow design elements from the RZ electric crossover, including a sleeker roofline and new LED lighting. A full-width light bar and sporty black trim hint at a bold new direction. One teaser even shows a charging port, so a hybrid or plug-in hybrid option is very likely. Lexus says this version will focus on elevated ride comfort and ultra-quiet cabin space, something luxury sedan fans will appreciate. First deliveries will begin in China, with global availability rolling out through 2025 and into 2026. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest releases.